So you want to connect your Notion page with Google Sheet, right? So that your data updates automatically. In this video, I will show you a super easy way to integrate Notion with Google Sheets. This is perfect for tracking projects, content, or budgets without manual updates. Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology and the online tools so you can work smarter, not harder. If you enjoy this kind of video or the automation tutorials, then make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the future videos. And obviously check the link from the description to get the special offers. Now let's get started. So open your favorite browser and make sure you log in your Notion and the Google Sheet in the same browser. Then go to zapier.com. So if you don't have an account, you can create in a minute, so it's super easy. Now click on this create button here and click on Zaps. Now if you want, then you can rename this. Now click on this trigger and here search for the Notion and select the Notion and here choose the event. Okay, let's say the event will be updated data source item. So for this video I'm going with this. Now just select your account here. So this is our account. Now click on continue. Again click on continue. Now let's go to the action and here search for the Google Sheet. Select the Google Sheets here and choose the action here. It will create a new spreadsheet. Okay, so for this video I'm just clicking this and let's sign in our Google Sheet here. Okay, we have connected our Google Sheet with Zapier. Now click on this continue and give the title here for the spreadsheet which will be created. Now click on this continue. Now let's test this. Okay, our integration is working properly. Let's publish this if you want to publish this and your integration is properly connected. Now this is how you can easily connect your Notion and the spreadsheet. So if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.